Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Back. This is the DMV Weave Doctor located in Bowie, Maryland. All right, now, you see we have a beautiful, now she's not necessarily a hair loss warrior. She had experienced a minor setback years ago in her troubled area, which some people will consider that but being alopecia areata or diffusive alopecia. And anyways, right now we're just applying our sebum follicle booster, and it's just helping to unblock any follicles and to get any type of bacteria or any type of debris that may be resting on the follicle that could be attributing to more inflammation in the scalp. All right, booyah. And you see we have our beautiful organic hair treatment that we make here at the hair loss clinic, and we can also mail it to you, specifically to your door, baby. You don't even have to come out your house. All right. Okay, and now you see a beautiful hair braided pattern. She's getting her a partial installation. She will be using our raw Cambodian hair, and look how flat it is. Amazing. Okay, girl, nobody gonna be able to tell her nothing. And whoop, voila. Schedule at mainattractionshair.com for more info. Thank you. Goodbye.